This dance is called Lennerockers Stroll. It's a 48 count, full wall, improve a level line dance. Starting on our right foot, with a couple of toe struts, we're going to be travelling to the right. So the first one is a side strut, so we touch that right toe to the side, lower the heel. Cross strut, so we cross the left over the right with the toe, lower the heel. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross strut again, right foot leading, toe crosses over the left, lower the heel. So that's your first little section. Just do that once more. Side strut, cross strut off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Now we're going to repeat those steps with the left foot leading, so mirror image. So a side strut with the left, side strut. Crossing the right over as we go into a cross strut. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross strut, left over right. So that set of steps once more then, left foot leading, side strut, cross strut. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Now there are absolutely no and counts in this dance whatsoever. So let's put those two sections together. Side strut off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Add on a vine to the right, side behind, side scuff that left foot into a couple of side touches, step left to the side, touch right, right to the side, touch left. Nice and easy, just do that once more. Vine in right, 7, 8, side behind, side scuff, side touch, side touch. Now again, we're going to do the mirror image of that. Vine into the left with that scuff and those side touches. So let's just put that on now. Half on that left foot, 7, 8, side behind, side scuff, side touch, side touch. Just do that vine to the left once more. 7, 8, side behind, side scuff, side touch, side touch. Let's put it all together so far. Side strut off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, side scuff, side touch. Now we're going to add on a vine to the right with a quarter turn on the end. So we step the right to the side, cross left behind, quarter turn right, as we step that right forward. Now we're going to make another quarter turn to the right as we hitch our left. And add on another vine to the left. Left to the side, right behind, left to the side, hitch the right. So that little set of steps once more then. Vine right, quarter turn, that quarter hitch and another vine on the end. Half on the right, 7, 8, side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch. Let's add that to the top. Side strut off on the right, 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch. So to end the dance, step forward on the right, point the left to the side. Step forward on the left, point the right to the side. Now we're going to add on a jazz box with a quarter turn and a step at the end. So we cross the right over the left, step the left back, quarter turn right, step that left forward. Jazz box, quarter turn, step. So that last set of steps then. Step, point, off on the right. 7, 8, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. End of dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Side strut off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. So that is your dance. Well, it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, side scuff, side touch. Side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, side scuff, side touch. Side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. So that's your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music.
It's drawing time.
5, 6, 7, 8. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side behind, side step, side touch, side behind, side step, side touch. Side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, side scuff, side touch. Side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side behind, side scuff, side touch, side behind, side scuff, side touch. Side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. Turn, strut, side rock, cross strut. Side strut, cross strut, side rock, cross strut. Side behind, side step, side touch, side behind, side step, touch, side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side hitch, step, point, cross, back, turn, step. Toe struts, toe struts, 9, 9, step point, struts, 5, 5, step Struts. Struts. 5. 5. 5. Struts.
All across the country they move their feet, swinging and swaying to their favorite beat. Doing the Lennerockers Stroll from left to right, doing the Lennerockers Stroll all through the night. Well, it's a party time, they're all having the ball, doing the Lennerockers Stroll, doing the Lennerockers Stroll from left to right, doing the Lennerockers Stroll all through the night. Well, it's a party time, they're all having the ball, doing the Lennerockers Stroll. Thanks, girls.
Hope you managed that one.